Today we're going to work on what whole numbers comes right after 117. But to be specific, what we're really working on is trying to figure out after, right? So the word after, what does that mean? So when you think of the word before and you think about the word after, which is the opposite, before means something that happens yesterday. You can say it's going backwards. Well, when you think about after, you're saying something that's going forward, something that is moving forward, right? So a train is moving forward. So you can say after a while, the train moved a few feet forward. So that's going to be an example of what after is. When we're saying the whole number comes right after 117, we have to think about what number is after 117. To answer that as well, if you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., let's think about what's before 117. Before I count to 117, I'm going to say 116, 117, 118. And that would be my answer. For the very first one, it would be simply 118. Let's go ahead and try another problem. This one's going to have a visual, which we're going to appreciate. What number is missing in the grid below? The missing number is blank. So here, we'll go ahead and see that there is a missing number right here. It's going to be a number larger than 100. And it'd be really tricky, right, to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and continue all the way on. But let's say we just started counting from 115. So let's go ahead and say 115, 116, 117, 118. What would be the next number? Now, let's say I'm not sure if it's 1, but what number goes here? So the advantages of having a number grid is that the number here is repeated, the number 9. So it's going to be 119. It looks a little wonky. I'm going to write it up here again. The number would be 119. Cool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.